Hello ladies and gentlemen, Jansen Fancher here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Have a beautiful Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. That's right. We got the twin V10 400s. Love this gray interior. This jump seat here will fold back in out of the way. Got your dive door right here. This thing will handle Lake of the Ozarks so incredibly well. Dual large Simrad screens. Let's not forget our Axis or Mercury joystick. Got your rod holders up there. Fantastic bow seating. And we got a big storage compartment here. There's your teak table. You can get that wind in your hair with that opening there. JL Audio sound system. And we do have a good size head. Refrigerator. If you guys would like to see this boat in person, give me a call. Jansen Fancher with MarineMax, 573-606-3029. Look forward to hearing from you.